Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you a build-a-boat tutorial. So, first off, I start out with 10 gold, and these build tools, and these items. Car seat, a boat motor, a seat, and 8 wood blocks, and 10 gold. So, I'm going to show you some codes that I'm pretty sure work to get you some gold. $D gives you 5 gold. $P gives you 5 gold. High gives you 5 gold. Squid Army gives you 22 gold and 22 ice blocks. Then, Drill 709 was here. Well, no. That will get you this firework, which can be used like a cake block, which is like a fancier version of a glue block. Anyways, quests. So, find me is kind of easy. Not used to, I wish I could use the scale tool, but I created a new account, so I can't use the scale tool. And right now, I'm just showing you how to get some blocks that are good for the game. There we go. And the last one, oh wait, this one is going to be on top of the mountain. But the one after it is kind of difficult. If you have a friend who's good at the game, or at least has a jetpack or some angel wings, you're probably gonna want to get them in the game with you, so that you don't have to build up to get on up there. But yeah, that's the Find Me quest. You just have to find that. Soccer quests do kind of need glue blocks. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to build your very first boat. So, for your boat, you're gonna want to build this. Just anything you like, but I am gonna do it like this. I'm gonna try and get it to be big, and sadly, since you're new to the game, you don't have any blocks that are really sturdy, like titanium or obsidian or any of that. That's all my blocks. Well, I'm gonna just place this car seat, place this motor, then place a seat, in case I bring anybody else along. My first boat. Now you can save your build if you really want to. Teams, you can change to any team you want, as long as it's open. If there's not a player on it, then you can join it. If there is a player on it, they have to accept you. Alright, now we have to see if our boat is seaworthy. Ooh, there's already some really great stages to get some stuff, but sadly, we don't have the materials yet. Like that stage that looks like a curved mushroom, that you can get potions, which are really good items for PvP. That one right after it is the gamer level, which while it is kind of bad because it absolutely obliterates your boat, it's still pretty good because there is a plushie you can get in it. And I'll show you how to get the other plushies from that. But real quick, I'm gonna show you how to get the easiest plushie in the game. It is really easy. So you're gonna want to come into this waterfall. Yellow, red, pink, blue and green. What blue and white green. Then this room should open up with all this stuff, but you can't get the stuff right here. The stuff over here was just I think teasing stuff. And then right here you can walk up to it and boom, you got a chill thrill plushie. You got a plushie of the owner of Ladybug. Now, let's get out of this waterfall and try to get some berries, alright? Come on, anyways, I'm gonna show you how to get 3 Zeg plushies. I'm pretty sure Zeg is a contributor. I only know Worthy one is the co-owner and Shuffle is the owner, but I'm pretty sure Batty and Zeg are contributors. But I can show you how to get their plushies later. Let me check the time real quick. Oh, we should be able to get the Batty plushies soon if we're able to get something that flies, like a fly glitch or something. But maybe later I'll show you how to get the Fatty plushie. But you need this clockwork stage. And we're actually making it pretty good. I mean, we made it to 3 stages. We made it past 3 stages. Oh hey! I never knew you got chests for going through the first stages. I guess that's how I got those chests. I never knew that's how I got those chests. And also, if you're looking for a team and you find one, never ever press launch if they're working on something. Like if they're working on something like a helicopter, a train, or just anything, do not launch. Do this instead. You place a block, click this plus sign, turn off anchor block, build your boat. Oops, that's a bit too low. Then delete that. And then your boat should be able to move like this. And I am gonna try to make like a fly glitch or something. Like, I don't have enough gold or anything for an actual fly glitch. I can just do this as a substitute. I've never not been able to make a fly glitch. I'm gonna just try and make like a fly glitch thing. Oh wait, it's Robux. That is Robux stuff. Hinges. Haha, hinge. Where's the hinge? That is a spike block. Aha, hinge. I'm gonna try to see if this fly glitch I learned from Illusion's Ghost works for the like this. Uh-oh. It's good for gold grinding, and you kind of need cakes, but yeah, this is broken. I'm gonna just, Sadly, we still can't really do the Find Me quest. You still kind of need a friend. I still kind of need a friend. But yeah. So, I'm going to show you how to get 3 Zeg plushies, alright? Project Zeg. For some reason it does that. I just search up project blah 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 blah. Aha, Project Zeg. Project Zeg. So what you're gonna want to do is go inside of that portal. You'll spawn on either one of these spawn pads. No idea why the flags look like Zeg. I mean, it is Project Zeg. You go in here, Chamber of Zeg. You go inside here, click on this, click on this, click on this, if it'll work. Click on that glowing white button, which for some reason, okay, there we go. Click on that, then it should do this. You should be going down here. Keep in mind, you might not do it the first time. I did not complete it the first time, but who knows, you might be able to do it first try. But probably not. I know this isn't really beginner's level, but hey, it's stuff for beginners. I hope this helps build about beginners. But stuff like Project Zeg might not be. Yeah, basically you have to get Zeg to stand on the axes, and you stand on the axes, and then get him to die. Alright, come on Zeg. Until he's dead. You basically need to do that until he's dead. Which I've already gotten it 2 times. Oh god, this screen is Keep in mind this boss is kind of Alright, there we go. I'm almost dead, and Zeg has been killed. You're gonna want to stand on here. Then, you're gonna see, in just a second, that. I know it's nothing. I know it's nothing. Look at one of the tentacles like that, and that's gonna happen. Oh gosh! Now some horns, and that's gonna happen. And nothing. like I said, Project Zeg might be too hard for you. But if you don't want people joining your team, just click on this. And if you don't want people ending up in your plot, if you don't want people to come in your plot, just click on this. And if you want to switch teams, just do it like that and stuff. And, like right here, if somebody is on the team, they have to accept you for you to join. Anyways, I'm going to load in the boat that we created. And I don't know why, I just feel like adding the stuff that you got onto the boat. Like the firework and the chests. And the hinge. And the plushie. I think we might just upgrade this boat and not make any new boats, just upgrade this one. I think we might not make any new boats, but yeah, let's just upgrade this one. Save. And the firework is gone. Oh well. It was worth a shot. Why is it the one time I can't get the potions, it gives me the potion stage? Seems like somebody may have cleared out a path for us. This is gonna be kind of easy. It's gonna be kind of easy. Why does it keep just making us turn that way? I might get on my Xbox and just go to the potion stage and yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Uh-oh. But yeah. This guy is kind of just clearing out the path for us. I think I'm gonna join on my main account, so that I can get us some potions, which are in this stage right here, this mushroom stage. Which you saw that PvP mode thing. I'll show you how to turn on PvP mode to actually be able to use these potions against other people. Once I can easily get on Roblox on my Xbox. But yeah, those are tutorials I'm doing. That was great experiences. Oh well, even though it's full. Zeg. Yeah, the guy. I can't really say much now. Hi. But yeah, thanks to that other guy, we have gotten to the cinema stage. Now, this stage, which if we had cannons, we could go over there and grab and get some free ultra thrusters, which cost Robux. Yeah, sadly the game is full, so I can't join on my main account. And I got another one of the. Oh hey, yeah. I guess it's just kind of giving me freaking chests for kind of just going through the stages. I guess that's how I got all the chests that I got. It's literally just giving me chests for going through the stages. that is actually kind of cool. So yeah, new players can get these really cool looking chests, even though they don't really do anything besides you can open them and fidget with them and stuff. Yeah, they don't really serve any purpose. I think that, yes, alright, I'm in the server on my main, and I'm on white team. So yeah, if you want to join somebody's team, they have to accept you, like so. And if you want somebody else to be able to join your team, like if your friends want to join your team, then they're gonna, oh wait, block join request is on. You turn off block join requests, you get that notification that they want to join, then you can let them join. Anyways, now I'm going to, oh wait, I'm gonna spawn in, like, my airship. I'm spawning in the airship. There it is. Like, my main account will serve as a friend. So, yeah. I'm gonna load up the Find Me quest. Hold on. Alright, so you're gonna want to start up the quest, like so. All blocks must be clear. Where's my blocks? I'm gonna try clearing all blocks in this one. Might be from, like, the purple team. Alright. So, yeah. I am gonna go on my main, which I'm already in the game. I am gonna place down some angel wings, which they cost Robux. So you could just, like, get a friend, and you can get a friend who has stuff like angel wings, or a jetpack, or if you go through the stages enough, you can get a jetpack for gold. Then you just need to find all the blue blocks. You just need to find the blue block that keeps teleporting away. I don't think it does it if you're on the white team, but I think it's only on the purple or yellow team. It makes you go into the first stage for the last blue block. Yeah, it seems like it does it. Okay, never mind. So yeah, there's 450 gold and 25 blue blocks. Alright, so I've upgraded my boat a bit. I hope I still have the clip of me getting the potions, because some guys, I was checking to see what was in chat, and then some guy had said a bad word, so I had to delete the freaking clip, and I don't know how much was in that clip, so yeah. But I'm gonna get some gold on my main account. I just hope it showed me getting the potions. I'm gonna have to go back and check the footage. But I think it did, because I'm pretty sure I stopped recording and got a new clip soon. Yeah. I just really hope I got the clip of me giving the potions. But yeah, my first ever boat on my main account was the indoor boat, which soon I should probably recreate based on the very little that I remember of it. But yeah, our ship is I'm gonna just stop the recording and start it again if we're close to the end. We probably will, never mind. But my main account's probably gonna make it to the end. Yeah. We're gonna see him later. But yeah. I'm gonna just reset my character on my name. Alright, now, if you wanna get... I don't know, no idea why I've been waiting this long. But I prefer using gold blocks for this, but hey, we haven't made it to the end yet. So we can't use gold blocks for the fly glitch. We could use ice blocks, but that would make it super duper slippery. Oh gosh, oh no, oh my gosh. And also we can go in here for free neon blocks. Oh no, oh gosh. Yeah, we can go inside here for some free neon blocks. But we can do that later, because right now we're gonna make it to the end. But if one thing breaks the fly glitch, then we are done for. I mean, hey, I mean, at least we can still get to the end. So, the lighthouse stage, the toughest one of them all. Sometimes I would make it to the end, and just let it be the lighthouse stage. What? About that thing to the end, and I thought it was already blocked back until we got there, because I never finished it. But yeah, if you made it in a boat, there's the waterfall, the spikes, all this. And then get to the end and get your gold. Chilstra's Master Boater Award. I never knew there was a badge for getting to the end, with how many times I've gotten to it, and the time I've played in this game. I've played Build a Boat for like 2 years. Literally like 2 years playing Build a Boat. Which I can load us. I can spawn us in. AFK Gold Farm. AFK Gold Farm. I'm gonna try and get some gold on this account. Used to pressing Y for those things. Anyways, I'm gonna bring this to the stage. And since I'm recording this tutorial on mobile, I'm probably gonna be able to just click the switch and then it should work, since I'm on mobile. But yeah. I'm done selecting the jet before. Whatever. There we go. And now I should be able to just do that. Anyways, I'm gonna get some gold on this account. I'm gonna get some gold on both the accounts, so I can do stuff like the tools and stuff. Which I'm gonna just get some gold to say I've gotten gold grinding for all this stuff with my new fly glitch. Yeah, I'm gonna get like not that much gold on this account, but yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to like 500 gold. Yeah. Is the stage reloading or something? No? Guess it's just not teleporting me. Alright, there we go. Alright, this should get me up to like over 500. Yeah. Alright, that should be enough. So yeah, let's say you've gotten to the end a few times, because we have 526 gold, and since you're new to the game, you do not have the gold grinder that I have. So, that's kind of everything. I'm gonna do that. And there's not really any stage secrets we can get. Oh wait, how could I forget? There is some stage secrets we can get. Well, we can get the Ultra Thruster as in the nuclear stage. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is buy this cannon thing. You're gonna want to buy the cannon. And I'm gonna build the fly glitch. I'm gonna build the fly glitch with my new 108 gold. 108 frickin' wood blocks. There we go. So first, I'm gonna show you how to get the free neon blocks, which the neon blocks are these. No, not those ultra thrusters. These things are neon blocks, and I can show you how to get them for free. So if we just go into the Wild West stage and go over to where I showed you. If we go over to where I showed you, right in here, there's Jesse PC's pink hat, and then 33 neon blocks. So yeah, that's how to get free neon blocks. Now, let's add that cannon onto our boat. So we spawn in the boat. Then we're gonna add the cannon onto it. I'm also gonna buy a jetpack. There we go. We've invested all our gold in being able to get these ultra thrusters. Save. I'm also gonna use my main account to just cover the whole thing in titanium and make it invisible and collision off, so that we should be able to get to the stage super quickly. Well, sadly, we won't be able to get there super quickly, but we should be able to get there. Alright, cover this whole thing in titanium, then make it collision off, cast shadow off, and invisible. So yeah. I'm gonna go on my main and drive this thing to the stage we need. Alright, we're here. Now, I just need the thing to get us to where I can no! Shoot that thing, whatever. Use my main account ship. I just use the ship on my Alright, so I just decided to use my launch service and warship on my main account instead of using that boat because, as you saw, I don't want to close the door, okay? As you saw from the last clip, things didn't really go so well. So I'm just using this. Hover mode activated. See that thing right there? You need to shoot it. There we go. The thing is open. Now I need to not die and instead go inside it and claim the chest. 2 Ultra Thrusters and 175 gold. And another chest. Now to get back on the ship. I'm gonna get us to that stage. I'm gonna start recording real quick. Ready to go to the stage so we can get the Worthy One plush. Alright. Earlier, but I decided to use this hand cannon. You need to shoot this house right here and open up this door and grab the Worthy One plush. And then I'm going to get back in the ship and I'm going to head to the castle stage and stop recording. Come on, game! Get my freaking thing destroyed. Alright, now I just need to get in the ship. Or get going inside. I'm gonna just stand on it. I'm gonna just, luckily I didn't see what's on the top of the ship. I'm gonna just pull the ship into we're gonna do this boss fight. Alright, now we're gonna fight these guys. I recommend using this sword from the PvP pack, because it literally like one-shots them. But if you can't get the PvP pack, the boss fight automatically gives you the medieval sword for the battle. And if you kill the archers, it gives you the bow, and if you kill the wizards, it gives you the staff. Kill these guys. Now I have the bow, since I killed my jetpack or some angel wings to the fight, because if you get low, I like to fly up and fly up. But if you have neither of those, then just hide in like the tents or your boat or something. Aha! There's the pesky little hider. Oh wait. So we just need to fight through these waves of guys. We just need to fight through these waves of knights and soldiers and stuff. I'm going to use my main. I might have to start filming. I think I'm going to start recording after this boss fight because my friend is playing Minecraft and there are crosses everywhere. Even though this is a Build-A-Boat video, my friend is playing Minecraft and he has crosses everywhere. So... after this boss fight, I'm gonna just stop recording and resume this tutorial later. So I'm probably gonna continue this tomorrow. Wizard. My main account is dead. My main account's dead. Pincushion. Now I just need to hide away so that I can heal. Now I'm going to just sit here. Alright, it is the next day, and the gamer level is here. Of course, make her sit down. Alright, now let's launch. Make sure to grab a jetpack. make sure to grab a jetpack, because we're gonna need it. We're gonna need more of the jetpacks. Right, sit down and we're gonna launch now. You have to sit down. I'm gonna just forget it. Speeding to the game all up. Oh, that's way past me. Never mind, going over it. Okay, we're gonna need this stage. No idea what it's actually called, but people call it the gamer level. See that minigame over there? We're gonna need to go over to this minigame. Follow me, course maker. Alright, see this? See this thing over here? Where are you? Alright, get on the thing. Get on the minigame thing. Fly over there with your jetpack. Alright guys, so basically what you're gonna wanna do is right as that yellow light gets in between these two magnets, you're gonna wanna press the button. Like that, and you get a Zeg plushie. It's kinda easy once you get the hang of it. So yeah. That's how you get the Zeg plushie. Anyways, I'm gonna hop in the ship. Alright. Now that we have the Zeg plushie, I'm gonna speed to the end. Come on. Well, we still got our jets. Still got our jets. Okay, right to the end. Right to the end. Oh my god, I got wings right next to the chest. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording real quick. Alright, let's upgrade our boat. Shall we? Wonder why that's. Anyways. I'm gonna delete these chests because they're kinda unnecessary. I accidentally deleted the block. There we go. Now, I'm gonna expand using some neon blocks. Yeah, never mind. But anyways, I'm gonna add on my two plushies that we got recently. Worthy One and stop. Worthy One and stop. Worthy One and Zeg. Anyways, now I'm gonna add in some medieval weapons. Now, Scotty, I'm making a build-up tutorial. Anyways, now I'm gonna add that in. And now I'm gonna add in this wizard staff. Anyways, save that. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Anyways, now to add this cannon. And now, save. Alright, well that just about wraps up this video. Oh, if you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing, and bye.